Hi friends, it is cloudy again. How did you like that little dance? That is the sound of the cumbia, a folkloric dance from Colombia and Panama. That is the sound, but those are not quite the moves. I love to dance. I just don't do 1, 2, 3 move. I just feel the music. Anyhow, at the beginning of the year, I got myself the new GoPro 7. And in order to improve the sound, I needed to get a microphone. But then I have to get a microphone adapter because the GoPro doesn't come with it. By myself, the microphone adapter. Then I look for solutions of how to keep it mounted close to the GoPro case, because all of this goes onto a selfie stick. And I looked everywhere for ideas and solutions, and I saw that people were adding velcro to one side and then to the other side and mounting it like this, or mounting it to the side or somewhere on the selfie stick. I didn't care for any of the solutions because they look messy and sometimes it can come loose. So I came across the Ulanzi case. And this is the perfect solution for the mic adapter. And I don't understand how come I didn't see it all over the place. It was hard for me to find it, and I found it on my own. After a lot of research. And that compelled me to make this review for you. So you just place the GoPro there, and then you just close it with this. Then you want to pass the cable first, and then just pull it through, and then you connect it to the side. You know how this comes out like this? In order to make it a little bit tighter, just twist the cord and then connect it, and now you have a tighter setup. I love this case. It makes sense. It keeps everything in place. And again, I don't know how come I didn't see this item being shown on YouTube more. Look at how clean this is. And it comes with the shoe adapter where I place my microphone. And that was my quick review of the Ulanzi multifunctional mic adapter for the GoPro. Inexpensive, very well made, and it is the perfect solution to the mic adapter. I hope that you found it useful, and I also hope to see you on the next review. Ciao!